the ice making machine by abron01, and it is compact and very easy to work. It has a digital controls and on off is there, power is there, select for the small or large size is there, add water and ice will details buttons are there. The ice will be made in this. First of all, you open the machine and take out this basket which is empty in the starting. Put the water in this, put the basket here, and then see this ice is being made. Now bullets are coming. See, these bullets are there. See this, they will fall and make this. Slowly see this. Now this ice has come out, and now this will be go to lower chamber here, and they will keep on collecting every 7 minutes. There is one ice. See this button is there, very easy. There is one electronic cooling system. There are chambers, and there are 12 kg ice per day. Working is very easy. Put the water inside. There is another model of us with the bottle, and big models are also available there. Please visit our website by abron01, and thank you very much.